to Wrestling with Reselling.
Reselling with wrestling.
Or that.
Well, the same thing.
For
We
sure.
have a double unboxing today. We have a Hot Topic stuff that we were missing from our last video. Finally came in.
Knock it out of my hand.
And then we have a special ToyUSA Holy Grail Mystery Box 2.0, whatever they call it, box. We're going to open this one up second.
Because we're extra excited about it.
Yeah, excuse me. But we're going to do this one first.
Preferably without cutting anybody's fingers off.
Just keep cutting my hand.
Every
I think I know what these
time.
are already, so I'll let you
Take them out?
take them out.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was like, I think you knew what you were ordering this time. We were just missing two last time.
Yeah.
We shipped separately for whatever reason.
We won't show you what they are, so it'll be a surprise.
It's paper!
Hey, look, it's 15% off.
$15.
That's it.
$15 off your next purchase of $50 or more, valid 5/1 to 6/30.
I like how they give you a return sticker.
Yeah, in case something's pinky.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna look at that because I
A
don't
lot of
know
places
what
don't.
Paper! Whee!
Oh wow, one's in a box.
One's in a box,
not.
so that's nice. I'll grab the one that's not. This is wrapped up nicely in bubble wrap though, although the box is not as nicely. That irritates me. So this is a Hot Topic exclusive Papa
The funny thing
Nihil.
is, Hot Topic's usually been pretty good at putting them inside these things.
Yeah, I would say when I've gotten pops from them, they've been pretty good too. It's from something called Ghost?
I think it's a band.
Oh. Oh yeah, Pop Rocks. That would make
Yeah.
sense. Yeah, so the condition of the box on this one annoys me because normally they're much better than that. But the pop is obviously in fine condition.
It's sought after. People are obsessed with Ghost.
So it is a band?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
He changes his name every album. Like his,
Interesting.
Put that there.
Alright. Now for the one that they, properly packaged the way that they normally do.
I would have thought they would have stuck this one inside a box and left the other one out.
Oh, you mentioned that you thought you'd have another one of these. So this is another... See, but they put it in the box and it's still damaged.
Yeah.
So this one has like a dent up here, but this is another small foot one. This is Fleam? Again, still haven't seen the movie yet, but now we have Fleam, Piercy, and then the other one actually isn't even on the back of here. We think it was an add-on.
Those will be on our Toy Store website if you're interested in getting them.
And
So
unfortunately,
that's these.
those are a little banged up.
We'll put those back in there.
A little bit bummed about that.
And here is the special one. Oh boy. I've seen people open these boxes up online and they've gotten some pretty good finds out of them.
It makes me so nervous.
Hopefully they boxed them up so that, I guess they did.
Okay, it looks like they're individually boxed.
Let's go. Stab myself in the leg. That wouldn't be too cool.
No, that would not.
That would not be too cool for school, brother. Too cool.
You need smaller hands to help out a little bit here.
One.
One.
There's two.
Two. Maybe.
Try this way. This is actually a shoebox that they use to ship this in.
Is it?
Yeah, these are shoe boxes that the post office gives out.
If it fits, it ships. See what I did there?
I got it.
That's flat rates. Just saying.
What is
Is
this? Oh, I think that tells me what's in here. I don't want to know.
Shouldn't tell you what's in there.
It says 1 and 2 quantity of something.
Yeah, so one's a free one and the other two are the special ones.
Okay.
I don't know what the free one is. So,
Open it, open it, open it, open
let's
it,
just
open
start with the top one. We'll go from there.
it. You're not supposed to cut towards yourself,
Lefties cut towards themselves all the time.
You make me so nervous. What do we got? I think I'm gonna lose my mind is what I think we've got.
See the back of it. You ready?
Is it what I think? Oh, I have that. It's okay.
I think this might be just
I'm
common.
guaranteeing that's the free one because I have that.
that would be the common. Let's keep that box.
Oh, for sure, because we can ship them back out in those when we sell them and stuff. Recycling. What do we got? What do we got?
There's a bunch of commons in it. This one is in a protector.
That's good. Like a plastic, like a hard plastic one?
Yep.
What do we got?
Miss
Pac-Man.
Pac-Man.
That's got a special sticker on it that I can't read. It's wrapped in plastic in there too.
I think this might have been one of the grails.
I'll have to look it up. Oh, they have so they have plastic wrap over the soft plastic. This is the soft plastic, not the hard plastic, but still.
I think that might have been one of the grails in the box in the company.
Authentic Pop Life, number 551610. So this is a numbered one.
I don't know what that means.
Me either, but it's numbered, so I'm assuming that's good.
Wow, I'm struggling.
I see that. Should have let me do it. What do we got?
I opened it up the wrong way so I can see what it is. This one is also in a protector.
Which will tell you that it's not the common. Oh, peanuts! Oh, that's a problem. So it's Snoopy and Woodstock, but Woodstock came free of his packaging. So that's upsetting.
We'll have to open that and fix them.
Yeah, I would say it'll be easy enough.
I don't know what this one's worth either. I'm a Snoopy fan. I'm a Peanuts fan. I would look these up, but I don't have my phone to scan them. Do you have a scanner on yours?
I would say I don't have the app downloaded, so I can't scan.
I have the app downloaded, but my phone's being used for recording, so I can't tell you. Which is we should have been prepared, but
we should have. But you know, what are you gonna do?
Let's see here. Yes, bear with us for a second.
That's the one that I'm looking up. Oh, you got it. You're scanning it?
I was going to scan it.
Because I'm not sure if this first one that came up is right or not, because it doesn't have the sticker on it.
Does not seem to want to scan on my phone.
Well, I just scrolled through. This is the only thing that pops up. It says Miss Pac-Man release date 2016, status vaulted. However, the trending value is $10.
Yeah, it says $10. That's not right.
And that's right on Funko. So.
Yeah. Come on. Yeah, so this one's not scanned. It's too much crap over the damn thing.
Alright, well that one's $7 because I just looked it up. Snoopy and Woodstock. So it's vaulted, but it only shows up as $10, but it doesn't have the sticker on the front.
I think there's something different with this one because it's got the sticker.
This one, apparently trending value is $33. It is vaulted, and it was released in 2015.
Well, that's good.
We just have to put Woodstock back.
Got the money back. More than got our money back. And because one of these was free.
Yeah.
We
and
didn't
it's
pay
worth
for one of them.
$7.
So that's not too bad. This one, I think there's more to it than what it's saying it is.
Yeah, because of that sticker on the front. And especially because that sticker is numbered.
It's Pop USA. ToyUSA. Not too bad. I think I have another box coming from them.
Cool, cool.
It's a little different. But other than that...
Well, I think it's cool that we got 2 vaulted ones. That's neat. I've never gotten a vaulted pop before. There is a hair in here that looks suspiciously...
Pubic?
Yes.
Nice. We have more unboxings of pops coming up from different companies. This one and a few other ones that I bought off the internet.
Yep.
We might have some comic book ones if you like those. And we have more food unboxings coming up.
Which should be very interesting, as
Yes.
always.
Within the next few days, so. Anything else?
Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell so you get notifications when we post new videos. As we said, we have a lot of stuff coming up.
Yeah, if you watch the video, please thumb up.
Yeah, let us know. you know, we obviously can see the views, but it's really nice to know what you thought of it as well as the fact that you watched it. So
I think when you thumb up on YouTube, it lets YouTube know that to put your video in searches for other things, for other people and stuff like that. So the more thumbs up you get, the more
the
other
higher
people...
up you'll be in like a search or whatever.
Yeah.
All right. Makes sense. Makes sense.
Yeah, that's about it.
All right.
All right.
We'll see you next time. Bye.